Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you happen to just be browsing and you ran into Fergie, please like and subscribe. And to all my FK gang, come on in. So I'm gonna be making Kamala's cornbread dressing. And here are my ingredients for today. This is the cornbread. Guys, overnight, she said to make it overnight, and that's what I did. I had to cut out a piece. It is so good. And this is my cornbread. She uses spiky pork sausage. I grabbed what I could get, and this is turkey sausage because it's quarantine time. I'm not jumping from supermarket to supermarket. And I went to the market at like 6:30. And here are my apples, onions, and celery. This is melted butter. This is parsley. This is sage, dry thyme, dry rosemary, some chicken broth, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of Mrs. Dash in it. That's not hers, all right? So this is the ingredients for today, guys, and I'll see you in a minute. I'm excited to taste it, and I hope you are too. Thank you, Madam VP. Okay, guys, with about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, I'm gonna add the sausage in to brown them. And by the way, guys, you're just supposed to use your fingers to crumble the sausages. All right? So I'm just gonna brown these. Okay, guys, now that I'm finished browning my sausage, remember you're using 2 spicy pork sausage. So guys, in the same skillet, I'm gonna add my onions. So this is 2 small onions, 4 stalks of celery, and 2 small apples, or medium, just 2 apples. Okay, guys, so I'm putting everything together. Make sure, by the way, the cornbread is just a packaged cornbread from the store. You just bake your cornbread according to the instruction, all right? So guys, this is my next step. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of sage, half a teaspoon of dry thyme, and half teaspoon of rosemary. Salt and pepper to taste, guys. Our next step, I'm gonna add 1/4 of a cup of the parsley, 3/4 of a cup of our chicken stock, and I'm gonna need 1/4 of a cup of melted butter. Okay, guys, with my oven preset at 375, now that this is finished combining together, I'm gonna put this in for 40 minutes. 40 minutes, guys, 375. Okay, guys, I'm here to present Kamala's cornbread dressing, and it's delicious. It is so good, guys. I hope you guys take some lessons and the recipe and take it home. Guys, it is really good. And by the way, let me read you her message that she posted with it. She said, during difficult times, I have always turned to cooking. This year, I wanted to share one of my family's favorite Thanksgiving recipe with you. I hope whenever you're able to make it in life, it brings you as much warmth and as it has brought me, even when separated from those I love. It is so good, Kamala. Madam VP, it is so good. Thank you for that recipe, and I'm looking forward to see many more. Thank you, Mamala. Thank you so much. All right. So that is the message from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today. And on the top of your head, in everything you do, guys, give thanks. All right. I love you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy your Thanksgiving. I'm good. This is all I need. Bye-bye. Fergie loves you.